It's a great day for a ride. Bob and Chris here at Weldnrust, and the e-bike is actually a motioning motorcycle. Oh, sorry, it's not a motorcycle. It's a bicycle because we have pedals that do work. The kid was working on this thing, and he made up another tank. Well, reworked the tank, cut a hole in it. I'll show you in a minute. The important thing is that it actually works and it runs. And I think it's a lighter than a stock emo bike. So
I'm thinking probably 50 to 80 pounds.
yeah,
Ballpark 50 to 80 pounds, lady.
and
There's no way this is 260.
yeah, and I think he's going to be able to shave a little bit more weight off of this thing yet. At least that's the hope. But as you can see, it's missing a few things. It's still not done yet.
Diamond in the rough, and it moves.
Yeah, that's the important thing. And you're going to show me?
Yeah, we'll go. Because that's the important thing, it actually moves on its own. It's alive.
Oh, hang on. Let's show you something here. Yeah, we've got a lid that opens up that he's going to use for storage.
Ideally, all this wiring is going to be up in here. I'll have this front section where the hinge sectioned off. I have a toggle switch for on and off. It'll all be locked in with a key lock down here. So that's the only way in and out. Turn on your bike, get at your storage stuff. The rest will all be storage compartment in there.
Yeah, this thing's a whole lot of fun. But the thing is, I noticed is I really like the way this thing sits. I prefer my feet down here than over there, but still, this thing actually.
And there you have it, folks.
And that's fun. Thanks for watching, guys. You'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.
Chain locks up when the foot peg's locked up. It doesn't go backwards. It'll freewheel forwards. It won't back up. So, my workaround, tilt the bike, rotate it freely 180 degrees on your kickstand. Then you're good to go. No reverse required.
No brain required either.
You have to have no brains to make something.